Hi everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the delay in getting this to you. I'm here with a flip through because, well, let's just say camera woes. I think I figured out what was wrong with my camera. I think it was just the SD card. This SD card seems to be working properly. Usually I switch them out. Less hassle. So I'm going to have to get a couple more new ones. I've been using these SD cards for years. So anyway, blah blah blah. Let's get to the journal. I went ahead and finished it, and because I have to move on to my design team project. So this is a fabric covered journal. And I used a file folder. I put fabric on the front, paper inside. I did add a few things. I added a book plate here with it says memories. That's from the collection. The collection that I used is Shabby Pink Dahlia by My Paper Bits, and I will have the link in the description box below. I had this lace trim here that I got at this Merchant 41, so that must be Hobby Lobby. I got it for $1.74, so I picked up 2 rolls. It was $6.99. Good deal. So I used that here because I just felt like it needed something else. I mean, it has the little fringe here, but I just felt like it needed something else. So I did go ahead and use a couple of the flowers that I used inside, and I have a crochet trim closure there. I did not add anything to the back. So let's get inside. If you open it up, I do have a lace pocket here, and I used just the journal cards and papers. So I've got a little paper there for writing. Plenty of room to add more things. I did not stuff it full, but you can see that it is excuse me, it is a little chunky. So designer page here, a tuck spot here. We did this together, I believe. I'm a little confused sometimes because I filmed so many videos ahead that got deleted somehow, disappeared, and so I'm not sure, but I think we may have done that together. If not, that was one of the Rolodex. She had large Rolodex in the collection. I cut it in half and just rounded the corner to make a tuck spot. And then I guess I should make sure you can see everything I'm talking about. Just a little bit of eyelash yarn and one of those flowers. And so I've got a journal card and just some of this tan paper tucked in there. And then here is an envelope. I've added a flower to one side. We did put this in upside down to have that little tuck. If you wanted to, you could trim off 1/4 inch here and stick a card inside. I did not do that, but you could even now. There's another designer page. I have a paper clip that I've added some trim to, and this is an envelope that I made with the tan paper. I've got another flower, a little label that came with the collection, and some more eyelash yarn. Inside, I've just cut one of the background pages in half and folded that over for more secret writing space. So that fits right in there. I like to have the decorated envelope portion on the white page. Kind of breaks that up a little bit, but plenty of room for writing on all of these papers. Here is a gardening book page, another page, tan page for journaling. That's in lieu of the coffee dyed paper. Here is a pocket. I used the journal cards. There were, I think, 2 pages of large journal cards, and I just made pockets with those. I've got a piece of doily and some eyelash trim and another pink flower, and then I've got a couple of different size journal cards in there. Now that's a little snug, but it'll lighten up, it'll loosen up. I used I don't know what I've done with it now, but I used the Pixie pink color from Close to My Heart because I had it on hand, but so they are kind of aged with the pink. I've taken a couple of doilies here. We did these together. I did these with this little brush, just with the ink pad, just to kind of give it a little something something. Here's one of the designer pages that I've folded, and I've added a journal card here as kind of a tuck spot so that I could stick one of the tags from the collection in there, and this can flip out for plenty of journaling space there. I saw that on Yvonne Preston, and she had used a taller tag, which I did not have, but yeah, it still works. I love it. And then another tan page. Here's an envelope that I've just sewn in. This happens to be one that has a little rose embossed there, so I just kind of inked that up a little bit. You could attach something to that if you like. And another tan page. Here's another designer page with a large pocket and the large journal card inside. Because I left the pages white, I went ahead and left the journal cards white on the back. There again, a piece of doily, eyelash trim, and the flower. Excuse me. Another tan page, a green ledger page, tan page. Here's a belly band that was made with the cutoffs from when I made the envelopes. I'm trying to use up all the pieces. And I just put a little piece of the doily. I had used pieces of the doily for the pockets, and I just used the little leftover pieces to put behind one of the fussy cut images of the Dahlia. And there is a small journal card and another page for writing. Get that back in there. And there is my center. I did use a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Here's the large belly band, or I should say vertical belly band, with the writing paper and label scallop card. Same thing, put the lace and the fussy cut there. And tan, and so we're on the back side with the ledger paper, tan paper, the pocket with the journal card, and like I said, there's plenty of room to still add more items if you like. Here's the other side of that envelope so that you can tuck something inside. You could write on this. I went ahead and left this blank for writing space, but you could add something to that if you like. And here's the back side of that flip out page. So there again, we have a little card that fits because we only glued here and here. That allowed us to tuck something back there. And tan, the doily, tan paper, another large pocket, and some sponge from my ink dauber. That's free of charge. More tan paper. That I love the flowers that are on this garden page. Tan paper, another envelope with another clip. I put that one toward the top, and oh, there's writing paper inside that as well. And then here's the back side of that business envelope with a little booklet inside this little tuck, and tan paper. Here's another corner tuck with a tag and a writing paper like such. And then we have our back pocket, which has a medium size journal card and some more writing paper. I did ink it up a little bit, not a lot. Let's put it this way so it doesn't snag. And then that's it. So that is our fabric covered shabby pink Dahlia journal. If you are interested in this journal, I will get it uploaded, or no, you know what? I said I was going to give this away. I'm not going to upload this to Etsy. This is a giveaway. So if you are interested in this journal, comment below with what you plan to do this summer. I don't have to have your whole bucket list, but One fun thing you're doing this summer, I'm looking for ideas. Comment below and we'll have a drawing. And I'll be back. I'm going to be working with Tsunami Rose Purple Kit and Purple Journal Kit for my design team project. And I believe I'm going to do a hardcover journal with a soft spine. So, thanks for watching. Let's hope that this video shows up when I put it on my laptop and I can get it published to you. Thank you all for your patience and your kind comments. I love you. Bye.